welcome you with open arms. Come to Suvik and feel its charm. We'll all be dressed up in blue. There will be lots to see and do. So come on up to Blueberry Days. We got blueberries galore. You don't have to buy them from the store. They're lying there at your fingertips. You'll look good with your blue lips. Hey, so come on up to Blueberry Days. Blueberry days are coming. It's that time of year. We'll be picking and a grinning, gathering and a singing, looking for seeing you here. So hop a train or catch a plane. Drive your car, it's not that far. Come on up, Blueberry Days. So come on up to Blueberry Days.